Okay, this one's sort of set up for us. We can actually see a positive and a negative, like right down here, positive and a negative. And right away, I know that if they are both opposite signs and the same coefficient, I can make that 0. So since that is 0, we'll go ahead and make it so. So let's go ahead and move this back over, and I'm going to erase that because I just accidentally messed it up. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. All right, this becomes 0. So you'll go ahead and cross it off, and then you will just add the equations. Okay, negative 1x plus 3 gives you 2x. And then you have a 4 and a 4, which gives you 8. So I already know in my heart that 2 times 4 equals 8, but I will divide by the coefficient just for fun. Divide for a coefficient, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1x, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I know that x equals 4. Now I'm going to take my golden lasso here, woohoo, and I'm going to substitute my x is 4 in for x, right? X is 4, so therefore I'm going to take 4 and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to substitute it in for x there. So I'll rewrite this equation 3, ooh, that's a fancy 3, x plus 2y equals 4. And instead of x, I will actually, let's erase that and erase that. Ooh, kind of making a mess here. And I will substitute in 4. So 3 times 4. So I'm going to have 12. Ooh, my parentheses look weird too. My goodness. All right. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2y equals 4. Writing with no um, stylus is tricky. Okay, and I will circle my constants, box my variable with its coefficient, and circle my constants. I need the variable to be isolated on its own. So I'm going to eliminate the 12. So that's a positive 12. So I need a negative 12. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay, now I have 2y equals, so this is 0. 2y goes down, 2y equals negative 8. And then I divide by 2, y equals negative 4. Okay, so I think that x is 4 and y is 4. That's my assertion, my I guess hypothesis, if you will. I'm going to say that x is 4 and y is negative 4. Now to check this, I can actually take this equation right here, the original one that I already rewrote, and I can just plug both of them in. I could plug in 4 for x and negative 4 for y, and it should equal 4. Let's see. I'm going to see if it works. 3 times x, which is 4, that's 12, plus 2 times negative 4, which is 8, negative 8, should equal 4. So let's see, if I simplify this, will I get 4 as the answer? Well, that's 12. 12 plus negative 8, let's think. 12 plus negative 8, does that equal 4? Yes, it actually does. 12 plus negative 8 equals 4. 4 equals 4. So I know that my answer is correct just by substituting in both my values to see if it's actually a truthful statement, essentially.